Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix TALKIE AI is not working on your PC or laptop. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to open a browser, and on browser you just need to write TALKIE AI server status, and then probably will be the first link here from down for everyone, not for me. Just come. And then you just need to look if there is no service related issue on TALKIE AI side itself. So you just need to scroll down here and look for your hour and look if there is some reports here. If there is no reports, we can proceed to the next. But if there is, you just need to wait. Another thing that I suggest you to do here is to look for TalkieX.com because it's alternative, because they know they having some issues and they got new domain here. So you just need to go to TalkieX, and as you can see here, it's working perfectly fine. Just go to your browser, press the 3 dots, then you need to go to settings, privacy and security, then you need to select third-party cookies, and then here you need to look for see all site data and permissions, and then you need to look for TalkIE AI, or you can search it, and then you just need to delete all the cookies here. Another thing can be is your extensions. Press the 3 dots, manage extensions button should be somewhere here. Here it is. And then manage extensions, and if you have some extensions, try to disable them all and then enter the website and look if the problem persists. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If I helped you out, please press like.